If you're thinking about becoming a mortgage broker, one of the biggest questions on your mind is probably, is it actually going to be a good career in 2026? With everything happening over the last few years, interest rates swinging all over the place, tighter affordability, and now changes how people borrow and AI, it's a fair question. And the honest answer is yes, being a mortgage broker is still an excellent career in 2026, but it's important to understand why and what the role really looks like right now. So let's break it down properly so you can make an informed decision about your career prospects. So the first thing is demand for mortgage advice is still strong. Even in tougher markets right now, people still need first-time buyer mortgages, remortgages, product transfers, buy-to-let financing, specialist advice for self-employed and irregular income clients. You see, the mortgage journey hasn't become simpler, it's become more complex. And complexity is exactly why mortgage brokers continue to be in high demand. The second thing is clients want personal help, way more than ever. So automation and comparison sites aren't replacing brokers. They're doing the opposite. They're making clients realize that they don't understand the small print, that they're unsure they're getting the best deal, that they need help with affordability, and they want someone to guide them through it and through the entire process. In 2026, people value trust, clarity, and personal guidance, which puts brokers in a strong position. Now, the third thing is the earnings are still very strong if you treat it like a craft. The earning potential hasn't gone anywhere at all. In fact, the brokers who commit to improving their skills are earning more than ever. Typical earnings are going to look something like, say, 40 to 60,000 for new brokers, say 60 to 100,000 for established advisors, and 100 to 200,000 plus for brokers who build strong systems, niches, and protection processes. It's not effortless money at all, but it's absolutely achievable if you work with the right structure. Number 4 is the industry rewards skill, not background. You don't need a degree, you don't need financial experience, you don't need a banking background. What you actually need is a CMAP qualification, communication skills, organization, consistency, and a willingness to learn. And that's what makes it one of the most accessible and realistic career changes in the UK in 2026. The fifth thing is remortgage cycles are creating long-term stability. Every broker builds a client bank over time. By year 2 or 3, you start getting remortgages, product transfers, referrals, returning clients to move or refinance. You see, this creates a stable compounding income that grows year on year if you look after the people properly. Number 6 is that brokers are building their own lead flows as well. See, in the past, brokers relied heavily on estate agencies and paid leads. But in 2026, the best brokers are using social media, they're using YouTube, they're using local SEO, they're using content marketing in all different ways, they're using email nurture sequences. You see, this shift is massive and it gives advisors more freedom, higher margins, and less reliance on introducers, which makes the career even more attractive. And number 7 is the flexibility and lifestyle freedom. Mortgage brokering is one of the very few careers where you can work from home, you can build your own schedule, you can go employed or self-employed, you can grow a lifestyle first business, and for a lot of people, that's more important than money. So is it a good career choice in 2026? Yes, as long as you approach it properly. It's a brilliant career for someone who wants a stable and growing industry, a strong earning potential, and the ability to work independently, and a career that rewards communication and consistency. It's a role where you can progress quickly without needing years of studying, but it's not effortless. But it's absolutely worth it if you're prepared to learn your craft and show up consistently. So if you want to know how to deep dive into how to become a mortgage broker, check out this deep dive video I've got right here. Go on, give it a click.